Did you know that if you put olive oil in this way, you will never leave it and will continue to use it for the rest of your life? Before we start, if you're a fan of olive oil, press like to know the number of people interested in these topics. And if you're a new follower, subscribe to the channel and discover a new world of knowledge. Welcome, my friends. Olive oil is extracted from the olive tree and is pressed to produce the best type of oil on earth. It has been used in many recipes since ancient times, such as cooking, hair and skin care, and alternative medicine due to its amazing benefits for your body. We will talk to you about the wonderful recipe for olive oil, but let's get to know the treasure trove of amazing benefits of olive oil for the body, which you will be amazed to know. Extra virgin olive oil is a rich source of unsaturated fats, such as oleic acid, in addition to containing good levels of vitamin E, vitamin K, and many nutrients that protect bones from osteoporosis, as it improves bone density due to its strong antioxidants. It also protects blood cells from oxidation, reduces harmful cholesterol levels, raises good cholesterol levels, maintains healthy blood vessels, and prevents clots. Olive oil is also distinguished by maintaining the health of the digestive system from cancer of various types, as it reduces disorders and problems that occur to humans, such as constipation, indigestion, or stomach ulcers. It also maintains brain health and reduces the chances of developing Alzheimer's disease, as it contains compounds that prevent the accumulation of proteins that cause this disease in the brain and works to strengthen memory. Recent studies have also shown that olive oil is useful in maintaining a healthy weight. According to studies, following a diet that focuses on sources of monounsaturated fats, such as olive oil, has helped in losing weight and burning fat because it contains peptide acid, which makes you feel full for a long time. Among the benefits that this oil provides to the skin is that it moisturizes the skin and maintains its freshness and firmness, especially since it contains vitamin E, which prevents the appearance of signs of skin aging. It also promotes the healing of minor wounds due to its antibacterial properties. Olive oil also moisturizes the feet and can be used to get rid of dead cells in the heels. Now, the wonderful recipes for olive oil. Put a little olive oil, a tablespoon, on your skin and massage your skin in a circular motion for 3 minutes. You will feel a slight heat in your skin. Repeat this recipe every day and you'll notice the difference from the next day. You can also use this recipe 2 days a week, as it helps stimulate blood circulation, fight aging, moisturize and tighten the skin, maintain its color, and resist harmful sun rays reflected throughout the day on the skin. Olive oil is a very strong resistance to sagging skin and gives your face a youthful appearance with your continued use. Olive oil prevents the appearance of acne and treats it if it appears. It also has a very great effect on the lips because it prevents cracks and dryness in general. As for hair, put an appropriate amount of extra virgin olive oil, about a teaspoon, on your hair. Gently massage your scalp with the oil for 5 minutes. Wait at least a quarter of an hour before rinsing it. As for the rest of the benefits, take a spoonful of olive oil on an empty stomach in the morning and a spoonful in the evening before bed. Dear viewers, I hope you have benefited from this information. If you like the video, share it with your friends. Your opinion is very important. Share with me in the comments. People who are watching us for the first time, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. See you in the next video.